Okay, to use the RiverSurveyor Windows mobile software, we're first going to power up the phone, and we're going to go to the RiverSurveyor icon and click it. The RiverSurveyor is going to go and it's going to find the RiverSurveyor M9. You can see it's serial number 99, and we're going to click Connect. The first screen that comes up is the menu screen. Menu 1 is site information. In site information, we can program in the site name, the station number, the location, the party, the boat motor, and the measurement number and comments, just like you would in RiverSurveyor Windows Live. System settings, we can plug in the transducer depth, the salinity, the magnetic declination, and the screening distance. We can set the track and reference and depth reference. We can select bottom tracking, GPS GGA, or GPS VTG, or system. For our depth reference, we can select vertical beam or bottom tracking. And for the coordinate system, we'll always select ENU. We can perform a compass calibration. In this case, I would press Start and go through the compass calibration procedure. We have full recorder capabilities. Here we're showing the data that's stored on the M9 right now. We can press Menu. We can download all the files over the Bluetooth link. We can download only new files. We can select files, or we can format recorder. Menu 6 is the measurement summary. While we're collecting data, the measurement summary will be produced in this table. And number 7 is utilities. Here we have the system information. We can set our discharge measurement settings, start edge, the rated discharge, and the measurement quality. We can perform a system test. We can set the system time. We can select the GPS option. We can upgrade the firmware. We can go to our application settings, set metric or English, and select to connect automatically. Once we have programmed our information, we can actually start collecting data. To start collecting data, in the main menu, we press Start. The system goes out and automatically starts collecting data. If I want to look at the different tabular screens, I press 1 for the screen that you're seeing. I press 2, and I get the boat and water speed ratio, satellite. I get all my GPS information, heading, pitch and roll, temperature. I can press 3. I can see my top cue, my middle, my bottom, the left and right discharges, and of course the total discharge. I can press button 4. I can see what I programmed for the transducer depth, the salinity, the magnetic declination, the track and depth references, and of course the coordinate system. When I want to start a measurement, I press Start Edge. Once the boat is in position, I press Start Edge. I select the left or the right bank. I select the type of bank, slope bank, my own user input, or vertical bank, and I select the distance. Now it's showing me that I've collected 27 cells, 27 profiles. Once I've collected enough edge information, I press Start Moving. Now you can see down here it says End Edge and Menu. So I'm actually out in the river now collecting data. Once I'm ready to end the measurement, I press End Edge. I input, you can see it says right bank, a sloped bank. I can select slope, vertical, or user input, and I input the distance. And I press OK. To end the measurement, I press in transect. Following the measurement, you'll see the summary table updated. I press continue, and now I'm ready to begin the next measurement. I press start edge. It remembers the distance that I ended on. It remembers that I was on the right bank and I used the slope bank. I press OK. I've collected 10, 12, 13 profiles, and I press start moving. So now I'm collecting data out in the river. And again, once I'm done, I press end edge. It remembers my distance on the last end edge. It remembers what bank I'm on, and I press OK. It tells me I have 10 profiles, and I press in transect. And again, you can see the discharge data is updated. To end my measurement sequence, I can press done. It asks me if I would like to review recorder files. I'm going to say no. And I'm back to my main menu.